Uh, I want to explain the investment portfolio management system using Java, how we can build it. It is a financial project, one of the financial projects, banking and financial projects. So let me explain the code here. You can see, first thing is we need to have a asset class. You can see asset investment data model. So it is our model basically. So asset class will contain symbol, quantity, purchase price, current price. Okay, so based on this we asset details, so share details, so current price, purchase price, quantity, how many. So user will own the asset, right? So portfolio is a collection of assets, shares owned by a particular user, you can see. So we need to have a portfolio class as well. Okay, for asset class we have 4 attributes, and we declared a constructor setting the value, and we declared getter values. Okay, you can see the quantity thing is the quantity multiplied by the current price, right? It will give the correct value of that particular share. Okay, get the gain loss means current price minus purchase price multiplied by the quantity will give the gain or loss, whatever the gain or loss. Okay, and this is how we collect the stock price. You can see the asset price. And now portfolio, you see how many assets are there. You see we have a class portfolio, and we declared array list containing array list object, and we're just adding the number of assets to the constructor. And we have update prices method. Inside that we are taking a price feed using a map parameter, and we are iterating the map. And then you see if the price feed contains a asset symbol, and just updating the asset price. Okay, and get total value. We are also getting the total value for a portfolio. I think for a particular portfolio we're getting asset display portfolio. You can see portfolio assets, and okay, for a particular portfolio what are the total number of assets and total value of those assets. And also we are updating the price feed for each and every asset. And then now we are displaying the portfolio. You can see portfolio assets, and then we are just displaying total value. Okay, now there is a investment AI analysis class. We created a class, just a simulated code. What it is doing, it is just a recommendation analyzing for potential rebalance. Okay, we are passing portfolio and total value, just analysis. Okay, we don't require that. Main application, you can see what we are doing. We are taking a portfolio class, and then see we are adding some values into portfolio. We created a portfolio object, and then you see portfolio dot add a set of asset, and passing 3 values. Okay, and now this particular portfolio is having, you see, 2 assets are there. Okay, now we created 2 assets in the portfolio, and simulated market data update normally from API. So we have a market data. Okay, market data, and we need to update the our portfolio prices, right? Market prices you see here for AAPL it's a 175 rupees. For Google it's a 2700 rupees, right? You can see, but in our portfolio the prices are different. You can see that, right? And for asset object, you go to the asset object. We are also taking a quantity, right? The quantity for a particular quantity, for a particular stock price, quantity, and what is the price. So we are updating the market price in our portfolio object, and then we are displaying it. You see, after that we are just calling a recommendation API. It is simple project. Just what are the basic model for asset, the basic model class for portfolio, and how you can update the actual prices in our portfolio as per the market value. You can see there is a market value, and we are going to update that, right? So this is how see most of the banking and financial projects. Some of the projects are pure banking core operations, like you take anything ICICI or HDFC or any SBI. You take that core banking operations. It will involve, like, core operations, withdrawal, deposits, loans, cards, payments. Okay, but the financial institutes sometimes, so they involve, share marketing, investment, okay, portfolio management, and this type of projects are also will be there for financial institutes. So I'll explain the full project, complete a full-fledged project, production grade project, how we do it. There are multiple modules are there. So for now you can high level you can understand. So we have a model object and then portfolio object, and we'll have number of assets inside my portfolio, and we need to update the portfolio prices as per the market prices. Okay, the high level. And here what we are doing, investment A recommend rebalance. Okay, it's just some AI class, so it's recommending the investment AI. I mean, where we can invest it, right? You can see here the predictive analysis. Replace the update prices with the trained model. Read price movements based on the historical data. Sentiment analysis. Integrate Lang4j to analyze new headlines of assets, updating their current price based on the market sentiment. Okay. Here is just enhancement suggestion. Here we can actually enhance this for predictive analysis, sentiment analysis. Okay, agentic trading, we can actually update this using the Spring AI or different AI modules, but I don't want to jump into that there for now. You see here I'm just you can see just think, we have a asset model, we have portfolio model, and we are updating its prices using market value. So this is the main thing. I hope you understand this. I'll explain the complete project later. Thank you.